Have you ever slept for 8 hours and still woke up exhausted? And on another day, you slept only 4 hours, yet woke up full of strange energy, as if you hadn't slept at all? How does that happen? The answer is simple, but it could change your life forever. The secret isn't in how long you sleep. It's in how deep you sleep. Your body doesn't need more time. It needs smarter rest. And that's where everything begins. The first secret, your biological clock. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, Brebris, even on weekends. At first, it'll be hard, but after just 1 week, you'll wake up before the alarm, eyes wide open, filled with unbelievable energy. The second secret, the blue light. That tiny glow from your phone before bed. It's the reason you can't fall into deep sleep. Every glance at the screen steals minutes of your rest. Turn it off and let your body breathe again. The third secret? Temperature. A cool room tells your body it's time to rest. Just a 2-degree difference can double your sleep depth. Turn off the lights, lower the heat, and prepare to enter the deepest state of rest. Stop chasing long sleep and start mastering smart sleep. Sleep like a professional. Wake up like a warrior. 4 hours are enough, if you know how to sleep them. Try it tonight, and tomorrow you'll wake up as a completely new person.